Now we go with the shock waves and Mach number and types of waves in module 1, oscillations and waves. Now we see the shock waves or the types of waves. In shock waves, this is a module with shock waves. Before going to shock waves, we will deal with the types of waves. Now, before going to types of waves, first we see few definitions of Mach number, acoustic waves, ultrasonic waves and so on. Now we define a Mach number. What is a Mach number? Mach number is defined as a ratio of speed of object to the speed of the sound in the given medium. So it is Mach number is nothing but the ratio of object speed to the speed of sound in the medium. We know that speed of sound is 330 meters per second in air. Now whatever the object we see, a bird flying or a vehicle moving, that speed is always less than the speed of sound in the air. So Mach number is defined as object speed to the speed of sound in the medium. Now based on the Mach number, whether it is greater than 1 or less than 1, based on that there are different types of waves. The waves have been distinguished into different types of waves. So first we should know what is a Mach number. It is a ratio of object speed to the speed of sound in the medium. Now we see what is an acoustic wave. Acoustic wave is simply a sound wave. Whatever the sound waves we are able to hear with our ears, that is the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, that wave is nothing but a sound wave, which is nothing but an acoustic wave. This acoustic wave moves with a 333 meters per second in air at STP. So this is an acoustic wave. Acoustic waves have a frequency lying between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. So acoustic wave is nothing but simply a sound wave. Next is ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves are the waves having frequencies beyond 20,000 Hz and travel with the same speed as that of a sound. So what is an acoustic wave? It is a sound wave. What is an ultrasonic wave? It is a wave having frequencies beyond 20,000 Hz. So what is the difference between acoustic wave and ultrasonic wave is, acoustic waves lies in the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz where you can able to hear the sound, but ultrasonic waves you cannot hear with your ears because it is the frequency range is beyond 20,000 Hz, so which is not audible for your ear. Only dogs can hear this ultrasonic waves. Dogs and bats can hear the ultrasonic waves. So the waves which you cannot hear but they have the same speed as that of sound with frequencies 20,000 Hz and more than that are called as ultrasonic waves. Next is subsonic waves. As I told you before, if the speed of a mechanical wave or a body moving in the fluid is less than this of a sound, then such a speed is called as a subsonic speed. Here subsonic speed means, first as I told you, what is a Mach number? It is the speed of sound, speed of a object to the speed of sound in air. So here we see that what is a subsonic wave? Subsonic wave is nothing but a wave having a speed of an object less than the speed of sound. Let us say a bird. A bird is flying. The speed of the bird flying is very much less when compared to the speed of the sound in the air. So here the Mach number is less than 1 because speed is objects, the bird flying is always less when compared to the speed of sound. Here what we can say, it is less than 1. So this such type of waves are called as a subsonic waves. That means the speed of an object is very much less compared to the speed of an sound in the air. Here all the objects moving on the earth like bird flying, a vehicle moving, a car, a train with all the speeds, all the speeds are called as a subsonic speeds. Here the Mach number is less than 1. Here you can see the bird which is flying. You can see here bird is flying and the waves are at the back. So expanding waves are back and the bird is flying slowly. The bird is flying slowly but the speed of the bird which is flying is very much less compared to the speed of the sound. So such waves are called as subsonic waves. Now next is a supersonic waves. Supersonic waves are the mechanical waves which travel at speeds greater than that of a sound. As I told you, Mach number is a ratio of object speed to the speed of the sound in air. Here you can see in the diagram, an aeroplane is moving fast. Here airplane is moving fast. Later on the waves are moving. First here in this diagram you can see the object is moving faster and the sound waves are going back. Here what is happening? The denominator is less and the numerator is more. Object is moving at a higher speed. So here the Mach number is greater than 1. Here the Mach number is greater than 1 because denominator, it is speed of sound in air is less but the speed of object is more. So denominator is less means Mach number is greater than 1. That means the vehicle is moving with a very high speed when compared to the speed of the sound. So this is nothing but the jet speeds. Fighter flights or the jet speed. Here supersonic waves are the waves where the body is traveling at a higher speed when compared to the speed of the sound. So such waves are called as a supersonic waves. For such a supersonic waves, Mach number is greater than 1. Example, today's fighter planes can fly with a supersonic speed. Even in a natural life you can see when the flight is going with very high, you can see that flight is moving at one direction but the sound you can hear from the other direction because the flight is moving with a higher speed and the sounds you can see here. Object will be in faster but the sound will be traveling little bit slow. So if you see that jet speed going, you can hear the sound in one direction and the jet is moving in the other direction because jet is moving with a higher speed but the sound waves are traveling with a little bit slowly. So here the Mach number is greater than 1. You can see here, this is the best example. Here a body with supersonic zones. Here this is a diagram where you can see the jet is moving faster than the sound waves. So jet is moving here, you can hear the sound waves here because the sound is traveling little bit slowly when compared to the speed of the jet. Such speeds are called as supersonic speeds. Next is hypersonic speeds. What are hypersonic speeds? Hypersonic waves, the waves travel with speeds where which Mach number is greater than or equal to 5. If the Mach number is greater than or equal to 5, such a speed is called as a hypersonic speed and the wave which is traveling with Mach number greater than or equal to 5 is called as a hypersonic waves. Next is the transonic waves. This is a speed which overlaps on the subsonic and the supersonic ranges. That means the transonic, if the Mach number lies between 0.8 and 1.2, then such speeds are called as a transonic speeds. Overlapping of some of the characteristics of both the subsonic and supersonic speeds. In the transonic waves, it is here there is an overlapping of subsonic and supersonic. What exactly is a subsonic? When the Mach number is less than 1, it is subsonic and the Mach number greater than 1, it is supersonic. So in the hypersonic and supersonic speeds, transonic speed is overlapping of subsonic and supersonic. Here hypersonic waves are the waves which travel with a very high speed because the Mach number is greater than or equal to 5. Next is Mach angle. The number of common tangents drawn to expanding sound waves by the body supersonic speed formulate a cone called as a Mach cone. The angle made by the tangent with the axis is half the angle of the cone is the Mach angle. Mach angle is defined as mu is equal to sine inverse of 1 by m. M is nothing but a Mach number. So Mach angle mu is equal to sine inverse of 1 by m. Now you can see here various subsonics, sonic, supersonic, transonic and hypersonic. You can see here in this tabular column, subsonic means when the object speed is very much less compared to the speed of sound. Here the Mach number is less than 1. As said, subsonic speeds are nothing but a bird flying, vehicle moving, which are very much less compared to the speed of the sound. So Mach number will be less than 1. Next is a supersonic, where the object speed is equal, this is a sonic speed, which is where object speed is equal to the velocity of the sound. So Mach number is equal to 1 because numerator and denominator will be equal. So it will be 1. Next is a supersonic speed. Supersonic speed is object speed is very much greater than the speed of the sound. So here Mach number is greater than 1 because numerator is more value. So Mach number is greater than 1. Next is transonic. Here the transonic Mach number lies between 0.8 to 1.5. This is called as a transonic. It is a overlapping of subsonic and supersonic. Next is a hypersonic. Hypersonic are nothing but the Mach number is greater than 5. So Mach number, they are very much, the speed of the object is very much high, where Mach number is greater than or equal to 5. So this is the types of waves with which they are moving. Thank you.